Have you heard about coffee tonic? This is coffee tonic. In this video, I'll be sharing with you our 3 different recipes on how to make each of these coffee tonic. Today we're going to be talking about the coffee tonic. Coffee tonic is basically tonic water with ice topped with an espresso. Coffee tonic is originally from Sweden. This summer we gave it a try in our shop and it has been really one of our amazing drinks for this summer. We decided to make 3 drinks out of the coffee tonic, starting with the original coffee tonic, which is tonic water with ice topped with an espresso. We made a cold brew coffee tonic, which is tonic water with ice topped with a cold brew. Then we made a jallab coffee tonic, which is made out of the jallab syrup with espresso and tonic water with ice. So we'll start by preparing our espresso. We're going to use Ugandan coffee beans. For the Ugandan coffee beans, it's really fruity and it has a bit of a high acidity, which balances very well with the tonic water and it gives an even balance with the cup. So we'll start by adding ice into our cup, then adding the tonic water, then we'll top it up with our espresso on top. Then we'll add lemon on the side. So that's our normal coffee tonic. So we'll prepare our second coffee tonic. We will add ice into the cup, then add our tonic water, then top it up with a cold brew. Our cold brew is made from Ethiopian beans, which is also a fruity bean and with a citric acidity, which really gives a real refreshing taste for our coffee tonic. So the next coffee tonic will make the jallab coffee tonic. We'll use a jallab syrup of 15 ml, then add our espresso 15 ml or so, then add a little bit of ice. Shake it together. Then in our cup we'll put ice, then add our tonic water, then pour the mixture that we had shaken together, the one of espresso and the jallab syrup. The jallab syrup is made out of dates, so it has that natural sugar. It also has a bit of caramel. It's really amazing. It gives the coffee tonic a different taste. Then we top it up with mint. This is the ordinary coffee tonic. This is the cold brew coffee tonic, and this is the jallab coffee tonic. The simplest way I can explain to you, the jallab coffee tonic is like sweet. It's for those who like the sweet coffees. The cold brew coffee tonic is the one which is really well balanced and really refreshing, not too much strong. Then the espresso tonic, the ordinary coffee tonic, it's the strongest one, I would say. So if you'd like to try something new with your coffee and you've never tried the coffee tonics, I will advise you to try one of these 3 coffee tonics. I'll leave the recipes and everything you need to know down in the description. You can check it out. If you have any questions, comments or suggestions, leave a comment below. If you like the video, leave a thumbs up for me. Please subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. I'll be explaining more about the different types of brewing methods and the different types of coffees. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.